Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now on this left side, let's say on this left section, we have to scroll down to find biometrics and security. Let's tap on it, and here right now let's switch to the right side. We have to scroll down again to find install unknown apps. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course you can change it. All you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to allow to install something and tap on the switcher right here. Be aware that after turning on this option, after allowing it, your device may be put at risk because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So be aware about that. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, and it will be allowed. If you want to, you can turn off the permission whenever you want to. Just tap on it again and tap on the switcher, and after getting back, you can see that it got back to its previous state. So the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.